Yeah, he did barrel.
Is that when he goes this way, not this way?
That's flip.
A flip? Is that what
I went on a Piper
He
Cub
did a
maybe 20 years ago.
He did a barrel roll.
I don't like flying.
Yeah.
Oh no, are they gonna wait for him? Probably not.
Oh, it looks like they're going here.
Yeah, they are.
Okay.
Oh, there's another one.
Where?
3. Yeah, that's over there. Oh man. Are they gonna wait for him? Hopefully they wait for him.
You're not going along?
Well, it only takes 2. If I could find another person who wants to go, I would go.
Well, I want to go, but I don't have any money, so I can't. Oh yeah, here he is. Come down for a landing.
Oh yeah.
He's a guy that just...
low over this road.
Oh yeah, that's why it says low flying aircraft.
That's only one pallet sitting in the back.
Are they taking off now? Probably not. To wait for him to get off the runway. Well, I want to go on a 5-plane flight, but I have no money.
I say Grandpa don't like flying, but I go in the jetliner.
Yeah.
Next weekend.
Now are they going? There they go.
You got video of that?
Yeah, I'm videoing it. That's cool, it's a cool couple frames. Let's see, probably gonna take off that way. Spotted lanternfly on me. There they go.
It's amazing how slowly they go.